What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Tech Resolve. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Google account or Gmail ID step by step. Make sure you follow carefully and don't skip any step. Alright, let's begin. So first of all, go to your Gmail app and open it. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From here, tap on Manage your Google account. Now swipe and go to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down. Under the Download or Delete Your Data section, tap Delete your Google account. Now here, Google will ask your passkeys to confirm. Just tap on Continue. Now carefully scroll down. Check both confirmation boxes. And finally, tap on Delete Account. If Google asks for a verification code, confirm it. And that's it. Your Google account or Gmail ID is now permanently deleted. That's how you can delete your Google account the right way. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Tech Resolve for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.